Hi wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Leah Human Hair Wig by Jon Renau in the color 613/102S8. Now I've also reviewed Sophia in this color. I don't know if it's aired to date, but I have filmed a review of Sophia in this color because I'm really trying to hammer home what some of these super light Jon Renau human hair blondes look like. Because at the end of the day, I really want you to buy the wig you like the first time so we can all avoid returns and exchanges, because isn't that living the dream basically? So this color, as you can probably tell, has quite a bit of residual gold left in it. And that is because this wig has been color processed like whoa, okay? So let me tell you just a little bit about that. And I've talked about this at length in other videos, so I won't, go on and on about it this time around. But just know that it takes a lot of work to get hair that starts off darker than my bio hair and make it this color, okay? It takes a lot of work because, the one thing that's very hard to get rid of is that residual gold or some residual brassy tones. So what you end up with this color, instead of something that looks like a 102, which is more like a platinum, you get something that looks basically like almost a static 613. And a 613 is not a platinum. It has some gold in it. It's more like a towhead blonde, with a little bit of, butter in it. It's like that sweet cream kind of color. So that's what you get here. It does have some dynamicism to it. Very subtle though, because that contrast between that 102, because it still has some gold in it, isn't really that extreme up against that 613, which also has some gold in it. So I like pointing these things out because I know a lot of people are constantly looking for platinum blondes in the human hair, and it is really, really difficult to find true platinum blondes in human hair because it just takes a lot of work and a lot of chemical processing to get the hair this light, to lighten it more and to try to lift it to the point where all of those gold tones are out. I mean, that's hard. You can try to tone it, but if you get the hair too light, it can be very difficult to tone because then it just kind of takes on the color of the toner. So it's kind of a balancing act, This one I think is a really pretty sort of ultra light California blonde, and the rooting on top is quite dramatic. I mean, it's a number 8, and it's a little bit lighter actually in the human hair than it is, especially on a color like this, than it is in the synthetics. But it's just so much darker than the rest of the wig that it just looks like a really dramatic contrast. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what Leah looks like in this color from all sides. I have not done anything to this wig aside from play with it with my hands. So yeah, the hair still feels really nice. It feels great. You're just going to be really careful. You got to be real careful with these super light blondes and how you wash them and how you treat them, because, like I said, they've been through a lot, So anyhow, I need to move on from the color thing, but it's just such an important thing because I don't ever want people to feel like we didn't do, them justice by trying to explain this stuff to them. So the bangs are 5.25 inches. They're a little long for me, so I sweep them off to the side, but you could always have a competent stylist cut a bang into it for you if you like. This one looks great with a blunt bang, like a little bumper bang. Looks really pretty like that. The crown is 17 inches long, so really long. The sides are 15, and the nape is 13.5. So she's not a boob hugger, but she's quite long in the back. Let me go ahead and take Leah off now so I can show you the cap construction. Leah has a really nifty cap construction. She doesn't have a lace front. Instead, she's got this generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline attached to a double monofilament top. Surrounding that double monofilament top, you get a really nice band of fuzzy felt, in addition to nice felt ear tabs over here. We also have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and the wig is adjustable back here with these Velcro adjusters. Just make sure that when you pull this part here, you don't pull too tight. You don't want to suck this into the meshy stuff. It's kind of a pain to get that out. The perimeter of this wig is kind of stretchy, but not super stretchy. The top is not really that stretchy at all. Like this material stretches, but this material at the crown, kind of where a lot of people need it to stretch, it doesn't really stretch much. So if you have a generous ear-to-ear measurement, you may want to steer clear of this one. I'm going to go ahead and put Leah back on for you now. So there you have it. This is Leah. She's really fun and easy to wear. She's kind of tight on me, but I have a big head. So if you have an average size head or even petite average, this will probably fit you very well, especially after you adjust it in the back. So again, this has been Leah by Jon Renau. She's a really nice human hair wig without a lace front in the color 613/102S8. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like what we do, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.